The IEC Young Professional Program is a global initiative that brings together emerging leaders in standardization and conformity assessment. Aimed at young professionals, it offers a chance to meet leaders, experts, and gain huge insights into the world of standardization.
So each year, the selected young professionals attend a workshop. It's held alongside the IEC General Meeting, and it provides an opportunity to learn about the work of the IEC, to learn about standardisation and conformity assessments, all while having the opportunity to network and make connections with industry experts. So standardisation governs all areas of our lives, from safe electrical devices that we use in our home to safe testing of vehicles that we drive. The IEC Young Professional Programme gives young professionals like us an opportunity to shape these standards. So young professionals can bring new ideas, new ways of thinking, and this programme gives us a platform to contribute and to collaborate, and ultimately help us shape the future. So it's not just about standard, it's about making an impact in industries and in people's everyday lives.
The IEC Young Professional Program is world-renowned. As an IEC Young Professional, you just don't learn about standards, you experience them in action. You'll observe high-level IEC meetings, visit industrial sites, and engage in meaningful conversation with industry leaders. But what makes this program truly special is the global network you become a part of. You will connect with like-minded professionals, exchange ideas with them, and build relationships that will stay with you throughout your career. Being part of the IEC Young Professionals Program in 2022 has been a game changer for my career. Since then, I have actively participated in various IEC meetings, white paper, workshops, and discussion, further deepening my understanding of global standardization. My involvement in the IEC YP program also led to a huge milestone in my career. I was honored to receive the Standards and Innovation Award in the Young Researcher category from Sin Senlek for my work on standards during my PhD at University of Galway.
The Young Professional Programme has completely broadened my horizons in ways that I didn't think possible when I first applied. Before I attended the YP programme, my interpretation of standards was siloed and definitely limited to my chosen industry. Now I feel I can bring a much more collaborative way of working. I'm still involved with my national committee and I'm still involved with other YP initiatives. So it's great to be able to maintain connections with peers all over the globe. I would definitely encourage anyone who is considering getting involved in standards or who wants to make a real world impact to apply today.